If you're considering buying Windscribe VPN, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. Unlike other VPNs on the market, Windscribe offers a unique blend of features and pricing, but you might want to know how it stacks up before committing. First off, Windscribe gives you a free plan, which is fairly generous compared to its competitors. You get 10 GB of data per month, and it allows access to servers in 10 different countries. That's more than what most VPNs offer for free, so it's a good starting point if you're not ready to commit to a paid plan. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Windscribe offers a paid plan that's affordable compared to other premium VPN services. You can either go for a monthly subscription or a more budget-friendly yearly plan. With its low cost, it's definitely one of the better deals in the VPN world. The third thing you should know is about the security features. Windscribe uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is the gold standard in VPN security. This ensures that your data stays private, even from hackers or your internet service provider. Plus, it supports a range of secure protocols like OpenVPN, IKEV2, and its own WS Tunnel protocol. The fourth thing is that Windscribe has a strict no logs policy. That means they don't store any information about your browsing activity. This is important if you want to keep your online activity completely private, especially when compared to some other VPNs that do store logs for marketing or other purposes. Next up, let's talk about the server network. While Windscribe does have servers in over 60 countries, it's not as extensive as some of the bigger players in the VPN market. But for most people, the coverage is more than enough, especially with their speed optimizations that make streaming or browsing smooth. The sixth thing to know is the ability to unblock streaming sites. Windscribe works well with popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. It's not always as consistent as top competitors, but for the price, you still get pretty solid streaming performance. The seventh thing is that Windscribe offers both a desktop and mobile app. The desktop app is simple and intuitive, while the mobile version might lack a few features, but still provides decent usability. It's a solid option for basic VPN use, but it doesn't come with the advanced features some other VPNs offer. The eighth thing is that Windscribe allows you to use it on an unlimited number of devices. Unlike some VPNs that limit the number of connections, you're free to use it on all your devices, which is great for multi-device users. The ninth thing to keep in mind is that while Windscribe offers good performance for most users, it can sometimes experience slow speeds on certain servers. This isn't a deal breaker, but if speed is your top priority, it might not be the fastest option compared to competitors. The 10th thing is that Windscribe has a unique feature called the ROBERT tool. This is an ad blocking and malware protection feature that helps keep your browsing experience clean and safe. It's a handy addition that not many VPNs offer. The 11th thing to note is that Windscribe offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is always reassuring if you're unsure about committing. If you find that it's not the right fit for you, you can get your money back without any hassle. And finally, while Windscribe is a good VPN overall, there are better options out there if you want top-tier performance, faster speeds, or more server locations. But if you want something affordable that still covers the basics, Windscribe is a solid choice. If you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It might offer the extra features and performance you're looking for.